guess you're smart, 'cause I'm taken by you, taking me apart. I could best believe I died to live for the hour dictates the need, and I am speaking like I'm spoken only for. If I meet more than your eye, I guess you're right. If I wake up in your mind,
U-turn, downhill,
I guess you're right. If I sink into your sleep and make it deep, I guess you're right. If I never let you go, I know you so and oh so right.
So ano yung kukompare ko? Yung climbing ability, mas mahirap i-climb yung hardtail in terms of yung sa technical ability kasi naglalaro yung puwet. Although ito, mas ina-absorb niya yung bump, medyo pwede kang mag-concentrate sa pedaling mo. Ang pagkakaiba yung pababa. Ito, matulin. Itong hardtail, dahan-dahan. Malikot. So kanina, sa pababa dito, mas technical yung line na kinuha ko. Ito kanina, ng pababa, yung safe side, that's mabagal. Although pareho lang yung takot na naramdaman ko.